Hello, I'm Ange Wilson of GnomeAngel, and I'm here to teach you skills to help build your confidence and conquer patchwork with ease. Let's get it started. Step 1. Get the pattern. Click the link in the description below to get the free pattern sent straight to your inbox. While you're off getting your pattern, let's do the joke of the day. What do dentists call x-rays? Be sure to stick around till the end and find out the punchline. Let's get back to our tutorial. To make this block, you'll need the following supplies. I've made this pattern using the From Marty Michelle Perfect Patchwork template sets, and I'll tell you why. If you're like me, you're time poor. Using templates helps cut down on the amount of time you need to spend cutting your pieces. If you're chasing accuracy, templates will help you with their engineered corners. Another great benefit with the templates is that it makes it super easy to fussy cut your favourite fabrics. Templates combined with a sharp rotary cutter blade allow you the ability to accurately cut through 8 layers of fabric at once. One of my favourite things about using templates, there's no trimming. That's saving you time and fabric. Cutting with templates means there's less fabric waste as you can nest the templates and cut to maximise the fabric you have. So what does this all add up to? Consistent results. This means you'll be making accurate blocks, maximising your fabric, saving you time, having fun while doing it, and making blocks you love. Let's get back to the tutorial. Step 2. Cut your pieces. Using the pattern as your guide, cut your pieces. Lay out your pieces as shown in the pattern. If you're not using the templates and would like to learn the trim to size method for the units used in this block, be sure to check out my video library for tutorials to help you. Here's the size you need for trimming your units if you're using the trim to size method. Step 3. Join your pieces. My quick tip for those of you chasing accuracy, press your pieces as you work. Step 4. Join your pieces. Step 5. Join your pieces. Step 6. Join your pieces to make rows. Step 7. Join your rows to complete your block. Step 8. Cha-cha-cha. Your block is done. Good job, you. If you'd like to make a quilt with this block, the free pattern has all the instructions for making a 60-inch by 60-inch quilt. Perfect for snuggling together on the couch. Want to know the punchline? What does a dentist call x-rays? Toothpicks! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more.